Hi guys! A little while ago I shared my base crepe recipe, and since then I've also shared the recipe for the savory stuffed crepes, and so today is time for the sweet version. And I must say I absolutely love these. I've made them a lot because I really enjoy the stuffing as well. It's a little bit like cheesecake, and you can combine it with berries, you can combine it with chocolate chips, you can combine it with raisins or cranberries, or you can also just leave it like it is and add a little bit of vanilla. It's also really yummy like that. So let's get started with the recipe. So first I have the quark here. You can substitute it with cream cheese if you don't have access to quark. So I'm just gonna soften it with a fork first, and I'm gonna add in the sugar. I'm adding in only 2 tablespoons of sugar because I'm using the blueberries, but you could mix this in and try if it's sweet enough for you. If not, you can always add in a little bit more sugar. Then I'm also adding some vanilla extract and also adding in the flour. Now I'm just gonna combine this until it's all mixed through. So we don't want any lumps. So mix in the flour really well, and then once it's well combined, you can add in the egg. And then you also just want to mix in the egg with the fork just until it's combined. So like this. Then you want to swap the fork to a spatula and just fold through to make sure that everything is actually well combined like this. And then I'm adding in some blueberries, some fresh blueberries, but you could also add in raisins, or you could add frozen blueberries or frozen raspberries. So you can be creative. You can leave it as it is. It's also tasty without any fruit, or you can also add in some chocolate chips. So I've just mixed in so that the blueberries are well combined, and that's it. So the filling is ready. Then you will need some cooled crepes. I will link my recipe here for you right now. And then you just want to add about a tablespoonful of your cream mix. You want to fold it once like this, then fold over like this, and then just close it like that. So I'm gonna show you one more time. So a heaped tablespoon, I would say. Just add it into the middle of the crepe, then fold the top over, the bottom over, the right side, and then just close it like this. Then I have a cake tin here that I've lightly buttered, and I'm just gonna add in the pancake, the filled crepe. I always say pancake, but the filled crepe in there. And once they're ready, you want to pop them into the oven, and as always, the instructions with the recipe can be found down below in the description box. And then you want to allow the crepes to cool before you serve them. I like to serve mine completely chilled with a little bit of sour cream on top. And then you can add a little bit more blueberries to decorate, and I also want to add a little bit of green to decorate. I hope you enjoyed these sweet stuffed crepes, and if you're going to make them with something else than blueberries, let me know what you added to them and how you liked them. Also, if you're gonna make them the same way as I did, also please let me know how you liked it. I really love hearing how you find the recipes and whether they fit your taste buds as well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and if you tap that bell, you won't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.